Yan. Tingnan nyo, doon kami nakatayo kanina guys. Oh, dyan. Sa taas. So, yun ang cliffs. Dyan. Yan. So, lakad-lakad pa tayo dito. Paakyat. Oh. Ito guys, tingnan nyo. Pataas. Umaakyat kami naman ni Daddy Cool. So, ito yung ground. Yan o. Very plain siya. Yan. Yan, paikot lang. So, dyan sa baba. Oh. Yan guys, nakita nyo dyan sa baba. Oh. Yan. Yan ang view. It's quite high. Still quite high. Look at them. You see? So, akyat pa tayo. Ito yung pinakamataas guys. So, dyan. Oh. So, dito lakad-lakad naman kami ni Daddy Cole. What you call this place again?
Binabina.
Binabina. Binabina. Binabina. So, ito yung area guys na very, yung doon sa sea. Ewan ko kung makita nyo. Doon sa kabila, ano na siya. South of Ireland.
Donegal.
Donegal. So, that's the very close point, isn't it?
That's the nearest.
The nearest one.
That's the Atlantic Ocean.
People can swim across.
Oh, you could swim that, yeah.
Yeah. So this is the between the Northern Ireland and the northern and the south. And that's the closest to the south. Yeah. Yan guys, akyat tayo guys. Look. How steep. Yan. You alright, Dad?
Yeah, yeah.
We did not bring our stick. Yan. So ito pa akyat guys. Oh my gosh. At saka dyan, oh, tingnan nyo. May, ano ngayon? Saan na yun? I-ano ko siya. I-zoom ko. Yan, reservoir. Yeah, reservoir yung dyan, guys. So, parang little lake. Yan. So, wow. This is the highest point. The one that you can see down no, on the other side. Ito yung pinaka highest point guys. So I really don't want to close on there because this one, actually this is one. My god, because you never know. You see that again guys, look at there. You see, it's scary to be close because you never know, we might soft the ground or the rocks might be falling. So ito yung pinakamataas guys. This is the highest one. Dito, yan, dito sa nakatayo kami. So doon yung ano, yung view naman na ano. Yan. Takot na takot si Daddy mag very close ako kasi you know, you see that? Tingnan nyo dyan sa baba guys. So, yan. See how far? How deep? Yan. Dali lang. Oh, yan. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Ang ganda. Hanggang doon din, oh. Is that the one that we walk? I remember that we crossed that field there.
Yeah, Gortmore Point.
Gortmore.
Yeah, that's over there, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll pass it actually on the way down.
Uh-huh.
Gortmore Point.
It took us like more than 1 hour across that field, isn't it? So dito guys, dito yung pinaka highest point dito. Yan, tingnan nyo kung ano sa baba. Tapos ito din, o dyan. There's another one there. Which one is the highest, Dad? This one or that one?
It's hard to say.
See that one there?
I think that will seem to be a bit higher, doesn't it?
That one?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like it.
Tingnan nyo guys, this is a very,
Getting closer now.
yeah. You can see there. Takot na takot si Daddy Cole na too close. Yan. So ito yung pinaka highest na cliffs dito. Yan. So dito kami sa pinakamataas. At saka yun ang ano, agricultural farmers. A lot of what you call that seed? The yellow one?
Rapeseed. Rapeseed.
Rapeseed. Yeah, they grow rapeseed dito, guys. Is that the one that they make oil?
Yeah, rapeseed oil. Yeah.
Rapeseed oil. So, yun guys, oh, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Dito ako, sa pinaka ano, sa pinaka clips. So, but not too close because mga ano, this time that isn't it still soft, the rock or the ground, isn't it? It can collapse anytime. So because it's still like still winter. Oh my god, this is look, this one here. Oh my goodness, Dad, look.
Yeah.
You can see, guys, how big that one there, the clips. Look how close, how far. You see there?
Yeah. High.
How high? High. Dito na lang. I will stand here, Dad.
Yeah.
Look, guys, oh, there. See, quite high. Yan. Quite nice view that the little
Yeah, little hills there.
hills. Look at, guys, oh, little hills. Yan. Tapos ito, oh, tingnan nyo, oh. Ganun ka high yung ano, yung clips. This looks scary though, isn't it, Dad? You see that one there? You see, when you falls down there, I think you'll be dead.
Oh yeah. You get killed. Yeah.
You'll be killed. You'll not really survive, guys. This is very, very high. Yeah. See?
But people jump off them doing hang gliding, paragliding.
But they did not use for upselling or subselling,
I'm
isn't it?
sure people do. Yeah.
So people, ito guys, oh, pinaka ano na guys, oh, pinaka edge na yun dito, oh. Ito, oh, pinaka edge na yun dito, guys. Oh. Yan. Yan, pinaka edge na. So hanggang dito lang. Oh, there is a lot of what's it?
Ridges.
Midges? Is that midges?
Yeah.
So tingnan nyo, oh, may ano pa siya dyan. Oh my god. Nakita nyo, guys. Oh, look, they're going
They're going after you.
they're going after me. Look. I think they don't want the camera. See, guys, oh. Yan. Grabe, ang ganda ng view dito. Kaso lang medyo hazy siya. It's not very clear, Dad, isn't it?
It's a bit hazy, yeah,
Hazy.
but it's, you know, that's the way it is at this time.
Yeah. So, dito naman tayo, guys. Lipat tayo. We're going to that big hill there. You see that one there? So, we're going the other side. So, we walk down here. It's quite sunny today. But it's not really very cold, but still like a wee bit nippy. Look, so dito naman tayo, guys. Yan. O, tingnan nyo dyan, oh. Ano pa yan dyan, guys? Oh, parang clips. Dyan, oh. I think we cross we cross the little bridge down there, Dad. Yeah. Look this. Ang ganda, guys, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ang landscaping dito. Yan. Oh, ang ganda. So, dyan kami, pupunta kami dyan sa kabila. O, dyan. So, sama-sama din kayo, ha? At least kahit nasa video na lang, nakikita naman ninyo yung Northern Ireland. There's so a lot of many things here to see. Yeah, to explore. Nakita nyo naman sa ano ko, sa mga video ko, diba? Ang ganda ng mga view dito. At saka alam nyo, guys, dito sa ano, sa Northern Ireland, I think naisabi ko na yun. Dito sa Northern Ireland, snake free. Is that right, Dad? There's no snake here, guys. But St. Patrick spelled the snake to go away. Yeah. Walang ano dito talaga. Seriously, walang snake kami dito, guys. Oo, dahil kay St. Patrick. Yun nga, nagsiselebrate ng St. Patrick dito. Nung Monday lang ata, yung St. Patrick dito. So, talagang snake free dito sa amin sa Northern Ireland. Yun. At saka walang mga disaster dito guys na yung kagaya ng typhoon, earthquake, wala. At saka walang mga dangerous species dito. Oh, we hardly see now there. So I want really to see, you know that the little thing there.
Okay.
You know the one that like a slice of, you know, separate the both side. If you are up there, you can, I think you can see down here, but it's not. Yeah. So ito lang yung maganda dito sa sa Northern Ireland guys. Kasi wala kaming dito. Walang mga disaster. Sometimes they have flooding. That isn't it only like a flooding? Overflows if too much rain. So this is the reservoir. Man-made ito. Pero nandito na siya dad for how many years? Isn't it this reservoir here? It's not new, isn't it? So dito kami na. So ito yung konting lang. Oh, hindi na So we go this way? Yun, kung saan naman kami guys nag-explore kasi maganda ang weather. So good for health, more walking, and stay away from the YouTube for a while. Kasi nakaka-stress kung anong makikita sa YouTube. Lalo na yung mga awayan, nagmumurahan, naglalaitan. Grabe. Nakakaano ng dibdib. Yung nilalait ang kapwa mo, 'di ba? Hindi ko alam bakit yung iba natitik nila na manglait. Sobra. Pero hindi nila nakikita yung sarili nila na sila mayroon ding ipanglalait yung tao sa kanila. So, dito ko kuda-kuda na lang ako ng konti dito guys. 'Di ba? Parang akala mo pang manglait, parang akala mo parang kilalang kilala nila yung pagkatao mo. Oh, yun, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Yan, oh. Oh, 'di ba? It's quite high. It's quite high. Yan, oh. So, doon kami sa kabila kanina nakatayo. Diyan. It's look high, that one. But if you're on the other side, you think this is high?
I think that other one is higher, yeah.
That's a higher?
One over there.
Yeah.
Hard to tell.
Yan. Ako sa sa totoo lang. Ayaw ko makinig, nakakaano ng dibdib. Nakakasikip ng dibdib na yung tao na nanglalait dahil sabihin high standard sila, mayroon sila, at saka wala pa sa talampakan, mga ganon ba? Bakit? Sino ba siya na magsalita ng ganon? Kasi sa atin, sa ngayon guys, hindi natin nakikita. Ngayon, parang feeling mo na sa taas ka, diba? Pero you never know. Sa sunod na araw, hindi mo alam pala, nasa baba ka na naman. Yung taong nilalait nyo. Yan naman ang sa taas. Oh, nakakahingal dito. Diba? Grabe pag manglait. Akala mo kung sino siyang perfect. Ayun. So dito naman tayo. So ito naman kanina yung ang gusto ko sana guys ba, yung makita talaga dyan sa baba Kaso lang it's so scary that, isn't it? It's so scary because you never know, the rocks is quite still soft. Tingnan nyo Yan ang ganda ng view dyan. Tingnan nyo. Yan. So, dito tayo. So, lakad-lakad. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi ka pwede manglait ng kapwa mo. Kasi hindi mo alam You know? ang karma ngayon, ano na, digital ang karma ngayon. At saka madali na, hindi na maabot ng years and years ang karma ngayon, guys. Sa totoo lang. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. You can see that, guys? How high? You see there? Oh, look at hell. Hello. That's my shadow again. You see? Quite high. Yan. Wow. Unbelievable that, isn't it? Look at that. Once you fall, you can't really survive. Oh gosh. Look at this, I wonder. Look, that's the highest too. I don't know. It's really which one is the highest. But you can see there, guys.
I think that, well,
Is that the
when
one?
you're over there, this one looks higher, but
Yeah.
that one, the
I think
furthest
that's
one away looks the highest.
That's the
yeah.
highest one, isn't it?
That's the one we were on first.
Yeah. So, ito yung view, guys. Nakita nyo. So, dito naman. Actually, ito, dito sa gilid. Big cliffs din yun dito. Kaso lang hindi tayo pwede lumapit dyan sa gilid. Kasi, yung sabi ko, it's very dangerous. Still soft pa yung ground. At saka yung mga rocks. Still soft pa siya. Kasi, hindi pa nag-summer talaga. So, after winter, dyan pa kung minsan na naglaglagan yung mga yung mga rocks kasi nalulos pa sila mga loss pa yung So dito naman tayo. Lakad-lakad. Pero yung nilalakaran namin, ito yung pinaka ng cliffs. Clip very siya, high na cliffs, guys. Kaso lang hindi masyadong makita. So ito yung yung view. Yan. Little bit hazy. Pero siguro makikita naman ninyo ng konti. Oh, yun ang Diba? Yung isa na na yung nanglalait. Akala mo kung sino talaga siya. Nakakatindig ng balahibo, the way na manglait siya. At sabihin niya, kayo ganito, wala pa kayo sa talampakan ko. Ganito. Talaga lang? Alam mo, pag siya one day kinarma yan, ang dami talagang tatawa sa kanya. Nakakaano siya. Grabe pag manglait. Pero wala naman siyang mukha talaga na pinapakita nga na kung talagang siya ay maganda. Alam niyo ba yun, guys? Na hindi naman talaga nagpapakita ko minsan nag-open cam din siya pero hanggang mukha lang naman Actually, never makikita yung the whole body niya kung talagang siya ay yun na, sexy, beautiful, perfect. Kasi the way siya manglait ba, grabe. Nakakapanindig balahibo. Sa totoo lang. Hindi ka pwede na manglait ng kapwa mo kasi hindi mo alam Hindi mo alam kung yung kung anong mayroon talaga sila. Kasi yung iba naman diyan hindi naman nagsasalita. Pero I think they're better off than you na ikaw na nanglalait diyan. Maraming better off sa iyo. 'Di ba? So wag kang manglait. Kasi hindi mo alam. Bukas magkaroon ikaw ng sakit. Diba? Yung sakit na yan ay yun na yung karma na ibinigay sa iyo. Huwag kang maging sabihin mo na perfect ka. Kasi walang perfect na tao dito sa mundo. Kahit nga si perfecto nga, at saka si perfecta, hindi pa ngayon sila perfect Alam niyo ba? Pero noong una, talagang pa kami noong una. Parang pa kami, medyo bili pa kami ng konti dahil yung sabi niya, she's quite high standard living or standard ang pamumuhay niya. Pero sa ngayon, sa totoo lang, wala kaming nakikita talaga na high standard siya. Zero talaga. Kasi the way na magmura siya, manglait siya, kasi nakakatanggal ng high standard mo ganun. Diba? Nakakatanggal ng high standard mo. Pag wasan manglait ikaw ng kapwa mo, ang tao na nilalait mo, hindi ka naman yung nilalait. konting ano lang, konting may naisabi lang ng konti. Pero hindi naman panglalait. Pero pag binalikan mo naman, sobra-sobra naman pag binalikan. Grabe. Alam mo nung ano, noong parang na-curious din ako. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako nanonood sa live niya. Hindi na kami nanonood. Pero na-curious din kami. Kung minsan, na-curiosity din kami. Tapos napakinggan namin, oh my gosh, I cannot really believe. A lot of people na it's better than her. Sa pamumuhay pa lang, you know, wala naman talaga siya eh. Kung sa totoo lang, wala naman talaga siya. Kasi kahit nga kami, wala nga siya kaming nakikita talaga na kung ano ang mayroon siya. Sabi-sabi na lang yan kasi siyempre, ang yabang, sobrang yabang, na wala naman siyang pinapakita. Hanggang salita lang, payabang na payabang siya. Pero wala naman kaming nakikita na actual kung ano talagang mayroon siya. And never. Pero at least kami, nakikita talaga niya. So, yun din yung ano, I'm sure yun din yung reason na hindi siya maka-stay sa amin guys. Kasi alam niya naaapawan siya eh. Naaapawan siya. Kahit paano pang sasabihin niya talaga. Kahit ano pang sasabihin niya na ganito ganyan siya. No, hindi kami naniniwala kasi wala kami nakikita eh. Wala na nakikita. Oh, ito guys, oh tingnan nyo. So nandito na kami sa very din lapit ng cliffs. Oh, look at that. That's the wee hills. Oh, down there, Dad. You see there's so the wee hills. You see there? Yan. So, yan. Ang ganda ng ano dito ng view. Fresh air. You can feel the air. Fresh air, that isn't it? It's really amazing, guys. So, dito kami maglakad-lakad kami sa taas ng cliffs. Pero hindi natin masyadong makikita. May kunti lang dyan sa baba. Kasi ayaw kong too close to the edge. Kasi pag nahulog ako, guys, sigurado, guys, hindi ako makasurvive. Hindi ko talaga makasurvive kasi sobrang taas. I think some people that is standing that too close to that edge here. Yeah, because it's so scary, guys. You see this one here, this edge here. A lot of people. I'm sure it's summertime. A lot of people standing on there, but it's really this is the very dangerous. It's quite high. You can see the little hill, you know. You can feel or you can see how high it is. Isn't it that? Yeah. So scary. So scary talaga. Very scary. So dito na lang kami maglakad sa hindi bali. Ayaw pa naman ni Daddy Cool na yung ano. Oh, look at that, Dad. Look at that view. You see that one there? Okay, guys. You know, yung view, oh. You see the hill? The big rock standing there?
Yeah, it's like a stack.
Yeah. I think it's quite nice view here in the morning or later in the afternoon. It's not hazy. It's not hazy.
Rise. That's the west.
Yeah. I see, guys. Oh, ang ganda ng view.
It's the north there.
So which one? The sun's position so they can get the good good view. Huh?
This way.
Which way? That way?
That way.
It's in the reservoir?
Yeah, over that direction. And then
Yan guys, so medyo hazy lang siya guys, pero ang ganda.
over there.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's quite high as well there, Dad, oh. Guys, so sobrang i-zoom ko ng konti. You can see there? You see that the hills, the rock. Is that hills or rocks, Dad?
Some are hills and some are rocks. That one standing up is like
It's a rock, isn't it?
rock stack.
Rock, yeah, rock stock. Yeah. Grabe. Sobrang ibalik ko na sa not zoom. Yan. So nandiyan ang view. It's a little bit blurred on my camera, but I don't know. Kasi sometimes it's look blurred on my camera, but actually later on when you review or play it again, it's alright. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, oh, now, diba? Look, it's a little bit windy now. So dito ako a little bit farther from the edge. Kasi ano, very steep. At saka ganitong ground. You see, if this kind of ground, sometimes you don't know if, you never know, maybe there is a holes on it. Isn't it? Or quite soft. So, we'll go to the next. Yan guys, oh, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ah, look at the hill down there. That's quite nice. I don't, you cannot go down there.
Not from here, no.
You see that's the green one, guys, or a little bit grainy. That's a nice hill there. A wee tiny one, a baby one. I think that's a baby one.
I'll see how you get down.
I think maybe you have to go to the other side. You know, where is the pine trees is? See the pine trees?
Yeah.
Or maybe through the farm. Ang ganda guys. O yan, o tingnan nyo. Ah, look at that. Look at that. This look like a gorilla. You can see like, guys. I-ano ko siya guys. I-zoom ko ng konti. It look like a gorilla. It's facing here. Isn't it? You can see guys. You see the one there? Oh, yan, tingnan nyo. Oh, that's the hill down there. Look at this. Where is that? So that's the gorilla. And then that's the hill down there. Yan. Yan. I-ano ko na konti. Zoom. Yeah. Seems like the gorilla get frozen there. Okay, so yan o ang view. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Ang ganda talaga pag malapit ka doon sa edge, pero that's very dangerous. So it's better na lang not to. Linkis na. Okay, tingnan nyo yung ano dyan sa baba. Oh. Yan o. Yan yung view. Tingnan nyo. Oh, look at the little gorilla. Now, so dito na tayo. Dito na naman tayo sa middle. Yan. Yan. So tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda ng landscape, oh. Yan. May buklod-buklod. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, mga grass ito, grass. Yan. Di ba ang ganda? Parang nasa ibang planet. Parang nasa ibang planet. Ang ganda ng pag-ano ng grass. Yung formation nila, no? Kung sa ano, kung rock formation, ito naman grass formation. Tingnan nyo. Diba? So, ito lang nga sinasabi ko sa mga tao na sobra ang ano, ang yabang. Grabe talaga yung kayabangan ba? Akala mo parang nasa kanya na ang lahat. Pero hanggang ano lang naman, hanggang ano ayun, payabang lang yan guys, hanggang payabang na talaga siya. Sa totoo lang. Daddy, not too close. It's all right there. Oh, look at this. That's nice again. Yan guys, oh. Hindi ko masyadong ano. Too close?
Well, yeah, okay here.
Yan. Yan, oh. Yan na naman, oh. Quite high. Oh, not too close. I'll go to the other side, like guys. So, kita ko. Now, yan, oh, tingnan nyo ito, oh. Yan, look at this. See how high? From the bottom. You see? Wow, look at this. Quite deeper down there. Isn't it? Look guys, oh, quite deeper. There's a little hill as well. But this one here is quite high. Look. You see from the top? Down there. If you fall down, you'll be killed. Really killed. You cannot really survive at all that, isn't it? Maybe it's broken bones, broken head. It's so dangerous guys. Pero ang ganda ng view. It's amazing view. Look, ang taas, sobrang taas, oh, di ba? Yan. You see, look. The design, the pattern. Look, it's quite amazing. Oh, you cannot really see that way.
See the way you can get across? That's that other path from the top of the end of the lake there.
Uh-huh.
We took
Yeah.
the right path, so you can go to the left. And you get that path.
Yeah. You see, you can see better this way. You see? You see the way they form. Yan. So, dito pa kami, maglakad-lakad pa kami, guys. Go to the other side. Diba? Ano ako kuminsan, ayaw ko na talaga manonood sa mga nanglalait. Kasi parang nakakasikip ng dibdib. Mapakinggan mo yung panglait nila sa kapwa nila. Na akala mo ay siya nandyan na ang lahat sa kanya. Perfect na siya. Walang perfect dito sa mundo, guys. Yung nga sabi, diba? Sobrang pangmamaliit mo sa kapwa mo. One day, darating din sa'yo. Darating din yan. Eh, kung talagang siya ay kung ikaw naman talaga na sabihin mo na kontento ka sa buhay mo at saka you got everything, hindi mo na kailangan dito magstambay sa YouTube at saka magmura ng kapwa mo at saka manglait ng kapwa mo, diba? Grabe. Hindi ko akalain na yun, nakita namin na akala namin talagang she's a very standard quality or living of life niya. Pero nakikita ko wala talaga. Mas masahol pa nga siya sa mga sa mga tao diyan talaga na yung walang-wala. Mas masahol pa. Hindi bali na wag ka na lang magsalita, you know, kaysa yung nakakasakit ikaw ng damdamin ng kapwa mo. Okay lang yung mag-real talk ka, you can do real talk, but wag kang manglait. Kasi ikaw marami na yung manglait ikaw, pero yung mga tao na nasa paligid mo, mayroon naman silang nakikita sa iyo na panglait na pwede ka din lalaitin kasi mayroon din silang nakikita. So, don't pretend na you are the perfect person. You know? Grabe. Ako hindi ko nakaya. Hindi ko na nakaya na Alam mo na lang ako. Nag-curious lang ako. Pinakinggan ko lang ng konti. Pero hindi ko makaya pakinggan yung sumisikip yung dibdib ko. Lalo na yung nanglalait ka. Bakit sino ka manglait ng kapwa mo? You know? Si Lord nga hindi nga nanglalait Diba? Tapos ikaw, manglait ka, grabe. Wagas ka pa manglait ka. Diba? Nakakababa ng dignidad. Pero the way na masabi mo, wala kayong mga dignidad, bakit ikaw, mayroon ka bang dignidad? The way na magsalita ka, bakit ikaw ba mayroon? Diba? So, kung marami ka namang pera, wag kang wag kang magstambay sa YouTube at saka manglait, at saka magmura. Go for holiday. Mag-holiday ka. Doon ka mag-spend ng pera mo sa holiday. You can go anywhere. Diba? You can go anywhere. At saka doon mo spend ang dami mong pera. Why you do not enjoy it? Go holiday and enjoy yourself. Kaysa manglait ikaw ng kapwa mo dito sa sa YouTube. At saka sa tutuusin, hindi ka naman nagpapakain sa kanila Pero grabe ka manglait. Alam mo ba? Alam mo, nagdi-distance ako kay Daddy Cole kasi sasabihin niya naman sa akin, sino naman yung pinapagalitan mo dyan? Dad, until here. We don't need to cross here. You can see the rivers. Is that a river, Dad? River Row. Ito yung river, guys, From the sea. and then going to inland. So that's a river row. River row. R-O-W?
R-O-E.
R-O-A?
Yeah.
Okay.
The Roe Valley. You know,
Row Valley. Oh yeah, Row Valley. Yeah.
You know that hotel, Roe.
Yeah, Row Hotel. Row Hotel Resort.
Yeah, resort. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where it flows into the sea.
Ah, okay.
It
So
flows
the river flew to the sea. It's not the sea.
No, it's not.
Though it's not the sea. The water coming from the sea. No.
No, it's
Okay.
flowing into the sea.
They're flowers. Okay. Yan.